How to redeem Duolingo promo code. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can redeem Duolingo promo code. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch the Duolingo application and make sure to log into your account. Once you log in now, to redeem your Duolingo promo code, first of all, we have to get to the sub page. For that, navigate to the top section and there is your Duolingo points. Tap on it. Once you're on your shop page, scroll all the way at the end. And at the very end, you will have promo code section. From there, tap on redeem. Now, here you have to enter your gift code or your promo code to earn rewards. Make sure to type in your correct gift code. Once done, tap on apply. And with that, you have redeemed Duolingo promo code. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.